And let's say you go at a wedding function or you go at an event where there are like
Like a social
500
thing.
people or maybe 200-300 people. वहाँ पर अगर मैं जाता हूँ and with me personally I've been little, maybe I don't know if it's called introvert or not, but I don't usually go and talk to people unless मेरे को कुछ काम होता है उनसे, like unless I want to invite someone on my
completely get it.
podcast
Yeah.
etc. बट लेट्स से इफ समवन लाइक मी एंड लॉट ऑफ पीपल फेस दिस प्रॉब्लम कि अगर 300-400 लोग हैं एंड उनको अगर किसी स्ट्रेंजर को अप्रोच करना है एक कोई इवेंट में, फंक्शन में, तो वो कैसे करना चाहिए एंड व्हाट इज़ लाइक अ परफेक्ट वे टू जस्ट अप्रोच समवन एट फंक्शंस और इवेंट्स?
A lot of it is dictated by कि मेरा goal क्या है ultimately. So a social setting is completely different versus like a professional setting where it's a networking event. Because networking event में क्या होता है कि people have a shared agenda, understood है कि यहाँ पे आप भी नेटवर्क करना आए हो, मैं भी नेटवर्क करना आई हूँ. सो वहाँ पे पीपल आर मोर ओपन टू द फैक्ट दैट ओके इफ दिस पर्सन इज अप्रोचिंग मी दे माइट बी कमिंग इन विद सम इंट्रोडक्शन अबाउट द वर्क और डा एंड देन यू ऑल्सो हैव दैट कम्फर्ट लेवल कि अच्छा इनको भी पता है, ये एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं. When it comes to a social setting, it is a little bit more tricky because here there are no boundaries. हमें पता नहीं कि हम किस दायरे के अंदर काम कर रहे हैं, राइट? एंड उनको भी नहीं पता है. एंड फिर हमें उस चीज़ का भी डिस्कम्फर्ट होता है कि यार व्हाट इफ दे फील लाइक आई एम बीइंग वियर्ड एंड दिस एंड डा. सो फर्स्ट इज दैट माइंडसेट चेंज कि पहली बात तो they are meeting you for the first time. I'm meeting them for the first time. If I mess this up, I'm probably never going to meet them again anyway, right? So just letting that melt away for a bit, that anxiety. And a good way to approach is, especially agar if you have gone there with somebody or if you do find somebody that you know even remotely, first of course you initiate a normal hi and hello with them, and then you ask them if they know somebody there and would you mind introducing me, I would like to say hi, whatever, something like that. But if you're like completely alone, that's a very tricky situation because wahan pe then you will, if you find another individual who's like you, who's there on their own, then of course you can go and start talking. That's cakewalk. That's not a tough job, right? It can be, but that's a different discussion. But if there's a group situation that's happening, it's best to kind of course the natural thing that comes to you is probably like let me like weasel in a little bit, kahan se thodi jagah mein. But that's thoda off-putting sometimes because they might be involved in a conversation, and we have all done that, right? We have all, when in our progression of figuring out how to communicate with the world, we've done that. But a good approach would be to see if there is first sense if there's like some space for you to enter, right? A good way is just to be directly upfront about your agenda, like hi, I'm here alone and I just saw you guys having an interesting conversation, would you mind joining in, would you mind me joining in? Simple. जैसे हम यहाँ पे जो चल रहा है ना उसको अगर हम ऑनेस्टली अगर वोकलाइज कर देना तो एवरीबडी इज़ वेरी ओपन टू इट. यूजुअली it has to take a very nasty person on that day who's being nasty on that day for to be like no नहीं होता ऐसा usually. So if I'm being honest about it, hey, like I heard you guys having this very interesting conversation, I had a similar experience last week, and then you're in it, then you don't have to stretch it. You can talk there about that thing for like 2 minutes and then like okay, it was great talking to you guys, I hope I catch some of you around at the party or like some, and then if you see if there's like some connect there that you can carry forward, you maybe take any sort of contact or whatever that MO is for you, and then you exit. You don't overstay your welcome because it's a new group. So that's a good starting point.
और अगर जैसे मैं अकेला हूँ वहाँ पर एंड देन वहाँ पे ग्रुप का एक कॉन्वर्जेशन हो गया, बट अगर कोई और है जो अकेला है तो देन इफ़ आई वांट टू अप्रोच दैट पर्सन, तो मैं कॉन्वर्जेशन स्टार्ट कैसे करूँ एंड वो कॉन्वर्जेशन कैसे होगा फिर?
द बेस्ट वे इज टू जस्ट एक कॉम्प्लीमेंट दे दो.
ओके,
राइट? पीपल लव कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स, एवरीबडी लव्स कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स, राइट? So
बट अगर ऑपोजिट जेंडर के हो गए तो क्रीप नहीं लगेगी वो केस में?
Of course, speaking with the opposite gender is very tricky, especially in India.
तो वो ट्रिकीनेस को थोड़ा समझाओ, कैसे सॉल्व कर सकते हैं?
So here are we talking about speaking to the opposite gender? Okay, see,
दोनों एग्जांपल्स लेते हैं one by one.
Sure. Okay. So if let's say if you're speaking to somebody of the same gender, of course, not a no-brainer. You can give a simple compliment as something like, "Dude, I love your sneakers. Where do you get it from?"
Yeah.
Simple. Or I love your jacket. Like I've been looking for something similar. Can you like give me a few recommendations? And then you have the whole conversation with you, right? Simple, no-brainer. Now, when it comes to this other gender, So if a female is approaching a guy, usually it's not that big of an issue, right? Because he's happy that he's approaching her. Most cases, I'm not generalizing, but most cases, right? You agree with me?
Yeah, I do.
ठीक है. Now, but if you flip that dynamic, ठीक है, if you flip that dynamic, फिर क्या होता है कि देखो यहाँ पे क्या होता है कि with girls, with females, the thing is they can sense it very quickly. As women, we can sense very quickly कि सामने वाले का agenda क्या है. ठीक है, agenda की भी बात नहीं है कि you can always sense through a woman's body language if she is willing to talk to you. And this is a cue for the guys. कि if you're approaching, let's say, a woman that you want to talk to, let's say, right? Now, I'm not going in the dating zone here, but just normal, general, neutral conversation. So, you try to, of course, catch the eye. First thing, very first step, you just catch the eye, right? You can just do a simple smile and a nod, like acknowledging, like a hat tip that people used to do earlier in the ancient days. Ki jab se, so it was a very gentlemanly, chivalrous thing to do, like just tip your hat once you see a lady, just to acknowledge her, right?
Oh,
so abhi
okay.
के ज़माने में वो क्या हो गया कि you just smile and like hi, that's it.
अच्छा, that's it. Like if I see a stranger in an event and you're saying कि बस ऐसे smile करना है, acknowledge करना है.
Acknowledge कीजिए कि hi, I see that you here. It's like a simple nod that we do. You look like you have not done that before.
Yeah, I have not done
Yeah,
this and
that's
I'm
why you're
surprised
confused.
because अगर मैं बस randomly smile करूँगा तो won't they think I'm stupid? मतलब क्यों smile कर रहा है?
No. See, that's the thing. So that's the difference in personalities. ठीक है, because like you said that you're somebody who's more introverted,
Yeah,
so
yeah.
it can seem very weird for you, right? Right. So, but if you were displaying extroverted behavior, it's very common in that world.
Okay.
ठीक है. So either you do that. The second thing is you can sense that if you catch the eye first, if she completely turns her body away, not head, वो head तो भी anyway turn away, ठीक है. But if she completely turns her body away, which means she's not interested. Turning my body towards you means I want to talk to you. Yes, like I'm open to having this talk. I'm open to having this discussion. But if I'm completely turning away, means don't.
Okay.
So that's not just the first, but the most important cue. And when you're approaching, let's say, a lady or a girl or a female, it's best to kind of not be like front to front. Because ये ना बड़ा confrontational position होता है. Because यहाँ, this is like you versus me kind of a situation. But if you approach from the side, like if you're standing on the side while talking, maybe like a 45-degree angle. So then she has that space ki, okay, if I want to leave this conversation, I can leave. These are all standard in body language terms. राइट सो ये ना बहुत सेंस करने वाली चीज़ें होती है. बातें तो ऐसी भी हो जाती है, बात वर्ड्स आर नॉट द प्रॉब्लम इज जस्ट सेंसिंग इफ शी इज ओपन टू दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन और नॉट.
If you learned something new from this video, do share it with your friends and subscribe to this channel so that we can bring you the best content possible. Also, if you want to watch this entire episode, click on the link in the description box and you can go to Kushal Lodha YouTube channel and watch the entire podcast episode. Thank you so much for watching this and have an amazing day.